channel. So right now we are going to Hill Road because I have my dance performance which is called Show Off, and for that we need like a very like a hip hop kind of outfit, like a jersey or something, a basketball jersey or something. My friend is coming along with me. Let me show you my fit real quick. I've kept it very comfy because it's raining outside. A oversized tee, baggy pants, sling bag, normal accessories, that's it. And my guts, I'm not even carrying umbrella and it's raining outside. Guys, I found one. We have a lighter shade in this as well, but I don't think this will work. I don't like the green though. The weather is so good today and I have secured my basketball jersey. I'm so happy. Guys, before I leave my house, let me show you my fit real quick. That's what we're wearing today. A very plain baby tee, whatever. And these grey sweatpants. A bag with this very cute clutcher on it. We've reached and this place looks very shady. Guys, we went to steps, we went inside, we sat also, and then the place was looking very shady and like it didn't feel very comfortable. We were feeling very unsafe, so we decided to get up and go to Sabco now, and we're just figuring out the way. Honestly, it was so difficult for us to make an excuse and just exit the cafe. It feels very insulting and I've never done this before. It literally feels like a crime. Guys, we're heading to Sabco now. Oh my god, I honestly don't know what day is it, but today is literally the best day ever. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I just received a mail and this is not the ordinary parcels which I unboxed. I legit have an iPad with me. Oh my god, I'm literally on cloud 9. So for the people who don't know, I'm pursuing fashion designing, and for that iPad comes in very handy, and we've been planning to buy one since so long and we finally have it. I can't hold my excitement. Let's quickly unbox this. It's all wet, bahar se, whatever, the wrapping is wet because it's raining heavily outside, but never mind, let's do this. But guys, I am literally speechless. The color is so freaking cute. It's in this very light purple color. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it, but yes, it's a very cute color. I also need to get the eye pencil. I'll just go to Maple Store and get that as well. This one is iPad Air 11-inch M2 chip, 512 GB. I'm so grateful for this. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go and set it up now. What's up? Right now we are going to Phoenix Mall, which is located in Kurla, because it's been a while since I've shopped and my college is starting, so I need to stock up on a few basics. My friend here, she's coming along, she's waiting, so let's quickly get going. I'm on my way to pick Hia right now. Where is she? Okay you guys, I've got some clothes. Let's try these on. Firstly, this shirt. Oh my god, as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it, and the way it fits my waist is just so fab. There is no way that I would skip on this one. Next, I tried these pants, but then I saw a better one, so I just forgot about it. Then is this striped t-shirt, which is just so comfy, and it's just like a go-to casual t-shirt, and the red detailing looked so freaking cute. And yeah, then there was this another one which gives summer, but still I ended up buying it because I need casual wear. I love this one, but then I didn't like the fabric, so I ended up not buying it. The thing which caught my eye was the silver detailing on the shoulder. Last but not the least, this shirt. Honestly, I don't even know what was I thinking while picking up this one, because when I actually wore it, it looks so bad. Plus it was too loose, so nah. You guys, I usually don't shop anything from H&M whenever I come to the mall, but this time surprisingly I did get a lot of stuff. I don't know how, but I ended up liking a few things. I'm gonna give you all a haul once I reach home. We also visited accessories because we needed like a initial bracelet or like a chain, but उनके पास edge नहीं था. हिया को भी चाहिए था, but it was not available, so yeah, we just left. Okay, next is Zara. I saw these pants and just look at the detailing on the waist. So good. Then I saw this white t-shirt. I've been wanting one since very long because like it's a basic, you need it. But I didn't like this one because uski sleeve ka length was very weird. Then I saw this corset. It was so cute, but it was screaming vacation, so I skipped on it. I like these pants a lot, but I'm not sure if I should get it. It's on sale, but uske baad bhi it's for 2000, so I don't know, let's see. Guys, I got the pants and it was not for 2000, usse kam mein tha, and I was so surprised when they told me the price, but I got it, a total steal for real. Hi you guys, I'm back home. I've also changed into my comfy PJs, and before I end this vlog, I thought of giving you all a very quick haul of everything that I shopped today. Anyways, I've just shopped from 3 places, which is H&M, Zara and Uniqlo. I'm gonna start off with Zara first. From Zara, I got only one item, and that too it was available on sale, and I love this one so much. Oh my god, I don't know if you all know, but there is this trend going on where you wear your trousers or your denim pants and uske andar you just wear these boxer shorts. This is very similar to that thing. They've just attached like this white piece of fabric which gives a similar kind of effect. It has stripes all over it, which gives it like a formal look, but then I feel like this ruffle detailing here or like the boxer short thing kind of helps to balance it out. Ispe it's written 2250 rupees, but then मैं counter पे गई and when the person was billing it, they told me it's just for 1780. Now I know it's not just, but Zara में इतने price में pants मिलना is very nice. Anyways, we are gonna start off with H&M now. From H&M, I've just got like 3 to 4 things, and right now I need more of basics. So first of all, we got this. It's like a relaxed fit t-shirt. I just loved this pop of color which is going on here. I don't know what it says, but yeah, it's just looking very, very cute. So I got this one. The next thing is this jeans. These are wide high waist jeans. You cannot do without jeans. So got one jeans, and I got one more relaxed fit t-shirt. Now this one gives summer vibes, but I just don't know. I just loved this print so much that I definitely had to get one. And the last thing from H&M is, oh my god, this one is my favorite. This shirt is literally screaming corporate core, and I am just obsessed with that core as of now. Like, I mean, it's a kind of core which never goes out of style, and you know, it just looks so effortlessly chic. This particular shirt, it's not oversized, it fits right on your waist and it just looks so fab. That's it for the haul, you guys. Hi you guys, it's the next day and look who's there with me.
Hi guys.
Here again, we're filming after such a long time.
Yeah.
It's been ages. We're getting ready now and we're gonna see you once we are fully glammed up. So yeah, let's do a transition. Guys, we're ready and we're twinning this time.
Yeah, like proper twinning for the first time.
Yeah. The song and now we're filming. watching the video. If you did, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care.